This video will teach you 3 helpful ways to insert any type of list to one cell in Excel. Creating a bulleted list. Double-click the cell you want to edit. Click the Insert tab, select Symbol, type 2022 into the character code box, and then click Insert. Type your first list item. Don't press Enter after typing. Press Alt-Enter. This adds a line break so you can start typing on the next line of the same cell. You can also select the Wingdings font and enter 159 as the character code. Click Insert to add the bullet point. Don't press Enter after typing. Press Alt-Enter. Pasting a list from another app. Copy the list. Right-click the cell. Click the clipboard icon under Paste Options. Each list item will appear on its own line within the same cell. Creating a drop-down list. Create a new worksheet in the workbook. Type each list item into a single column. Highlight the entire table and press Ctrl-T. Include the header at the top of the list when highlighting. Choose a header option and click OK. Sort the list alphabetically. Click the cell on the worksheet in which you want to add the list. Type a name for the list into the cell. Click the Data tab and select Data Validation. Click the Allow menu and select List. Click the up arrow in the source field. Select the list without the header and press Enter. Click OK. The selected cell now has a drop-down list. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.